Pinky! Yes, Rinky, what happened? Is there any issue? Mom had asked me to go grocery shopping before she left for work this morning, but I need to finish my school project. So, can you go for me, Pinky? I guess I can. I'm done with my homework. What did Mom want you to buy? Well, she wanted me to buy enough groceries for the whole week. Besides meat, some fish and vegetables. We can buy whatever else we want for snacks and breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? I guess some cereal as usual. I don't want cereal every day. I will buy some pancakes and syrup then. Oh sure, but get the new fine food pancakes in the frozen food section. Please, I want to see how it tastes. Okay, do we still have enough coffee and cream for Mom and Dad? Yes, we do. Talking about coffee and cream, you better buy some milk also. We almost ran out of it. Okay, fine. Next, what do you want for snacks? Some chips would be fine with me. You probably want your chocolate cookies, am I right? Yes, you're right. I better write down all these things. Otherwise, I will forget them by the time I get to the market. I would hate to make 2 trips to take care of things. Oh yeah, you are right. And now, what about vegetables? Mom probably wants carrots, potatoes, cabbages and some lettuce. That would be fine. We need some fruits also. What do you want? Dad always packs an apple for lunch every day. I want the same thing. And what about soft drinks? No, buy some bottled water instead. It is healthier for us. We need to cut down on our intake of sugar, as too much sugar is not good for our bodies. Do you need anything for dessert? Get a box of ice cream. It's really yummy. Ice cream? Isn't ice cream packed with sugar?
Yes, but since I already drink water instead of soft drinks, 1 to 2 scoops of ice cream after dinner is not too bad. Besides, Mom loves ice cream, especially cherry vanilla.
Okay, calm down. I will put down 1 box of ice cream if you say so. Do you want me to buy some pastries for you?
I know the pastries at the market are delicious. However, no is my answer. Do not tempt me, Pinky.
Just asking, Rinky.
You have quite a few items to take care of. You need to get going.
Yes, the list is quite long. By the time I get to the cashier to pay, I will probably have a full shopping cart. Okay, I'm all set to go. I will be back soon.
Drive carefully, please.
I will, Rinky, don't worry.
Hey, wait, Pinky, there's an important message which I just forget to tell you.
Now what happened?
Pinky, Mother told to buy from the Max supermarket, not from the earlier market which we used to buy.
But I don't know about the Max supermarket.
Do one thing. Ask to Rahul uncle. He might be knowing about this Max supermarket. And to remember, he is not there at his home. He is near the bus stand.
Okay, thanks, Rinky. I will ask to him.